Now, if you're like me, when I first purchased my new electric vehicles, you'll probably want the most powerful charger there is on the market, because nobody's got time to be waiting for vehicles to charge while we're trying to go about our affairs. Do I use the 3-pin domestic plug that comes with the vehicle? Do I go for a 7 kilowatt, or do I go for the almighty 22 kilowatt? Before you do anything, you need to watch this video. So I'm sat in the full electric Porsche Taycan Turbo S. This car has a 93 kilowatt hour battery. It has 2 charging ports, driver and passenger side. On the driver side, we can do what's called AC charging. On the passenger side, we can do rapid DC and AC charging. Now, fast home charging for most will be the AC charging. Ours starts with the 7 kilowatt range, but today we're going to talk about our almighty 22 kilowatt AC charger. Now, there's a couple of things to bear in mind before purchasing one of our 22 kilowatt AC fast chargers. One, they require 3-phase power supply. Now, most average size homes in the UK only have single phase power. You can check what you have by looking for the mains incoming fuses near your electrical consumer board. If you have 1 fuse, you have single phase. If you have 3 of these fuses, you have 3-phase power. 2, you need to know what the battery max AC charge power for your vehicle is. So with the Taycan, it has a 93 kilowatt hour battery that has an 11 kilowatt AC max charge and a DC rapid charge of over 250 kilowatts DC. So obviously it's down to you to decide whether it makes sense to possibly downgrade to the 7 kilowatt AC charger for the price, or opt for the 22 kilowatt, knowing you can get about 30% quicker charger than the 7 kilowatt. So our 22 kilowatt charger comes with the usual RFID tag so you can stop and start charging sessions. It has the built-in Wi-Fi for connection to our app, so you can schedule charge and stop and start charging sessions remotely. So let's have a look at the app and I'll demonstrate to you what I was saying about the max charge battery power. So the car's plugged in and we press our charging now button. It starts initiating charge. So on startup, the car goes through an initial gradual startup process where it gradually feeds the car up to its maximum available charge power. So here you can see on the app, it's gone right up to 11 kilowatts. It's showing 15.8 amps. And as I mentioned before, we're on a 22 kilowatt AC charger, but as the car's maximum battery charge power is 11 kilowatts, you can see it stopped at 11 kilowatts and it won't go beyond that. So currently the car's showing a rate of 10.4 kilowatts it's receiving. It's saying that the battery will be charged in approximately another 2 to 3 hours from now. And as it gets closer to the 100% charge rate, what happens, and this is a feature to preserve the cells in the battery, is the rate of charge slowly starts falling off. So be aware, there's no issue with the charger. This is all fine. Normally, on the rapid chargers, you see it will charge to 80% on the public DC rapid chargers, and then the kilowatt rate will start backing off. The same thing happens with the AC chargers. As you get nearer to the 100%, the car starts softening the charge rate, and this is about battery cell preservation. So if you have any questions on our 22 kilowatt charger or any of our other products, please visit our website at www.car-charger.uk. I'm Craig, see you on the next video.